For the next step, we will do a surface high-speed area roughing with rest material. Surface high-speed area roughing toolpath has a rest material page that allows Mastercam to calculate the cutting passes on only the stock left over from one or more of the previous roughing operations, instead of doing the entire drive surfaces. This toolpath uses the area clearance machining strategies. With this being said, come down to folder number 1 here and make sure it has the green check mark. Right-click and select Copy. Also, make sure that your red insert arrow is below. If it isn't, simply click this button here and move the insert arrow below the item. Come down to the white space here and right-click and select Paste. As you can see, we now have 2 folders that are the same thing. Under folder number 2, select Parameters. Under the toolpath type, make sure that we have Area Roughing selected. And we're going to come over to the containment boundary here and select it as well. Once this is done, choose this chain here and select OK. Come over to the left-hand side and select Tool. Select Library Tool and Filter. Under the toolpath types, make sure that we have our bull end mill selected and it has a tool diameter equal to 1/4. Select OK when done and choose Tool 334 with a corner radius of 0.0625. Select OK when done. Come down to the comment area and we're going to leave the comment, rough out the part's remaining areas. Once the comment is in place, come over to the left-hand side and select Cut Parameter. Under Step Down and Step Down here, we need to adjust this value to be 0.075 and hit Enter on our keyboard. Select Add Cuts and make sure that the minimum step down is 0.0025 and hit Enter again. Also, leave your maximum profile step over to be 0.125. When this is done, come over to the left-hand side and select Rest Material. Turn Rest Material on here and select Roughing Tool. Change the diameter to 0.375 and hit Enter. This diameter comes from the previous tool that we used in operation number 1, our flat end mill. Make sure that the corner radius is at 0 as well and hit Enter on your keyboard. When this is done, come over to the left-hand side and select Transitions. Make sure that the radius is 0.15 and hit Enter on your keyboard, and skip pockets smaller than, change this value to 0.15 as well and hit Enter. Once this is done, select OK. Come up to the top and select Regenerate all selected operations here. This may take a while, but as you can see, it is generating my toolpath, so we'll wait. Our toolpath will be created. It should look something like this. Highlight both folders by selecting Select All Operations and run your backplot and verify. Again, to save time, I'm just going to run my verify. Select Isometric and Fit and select Play or End. I'm going to select End this time to see my final product. Your part should look like this. Once this is done, close the window here and toggle your toolpath display. Come up to the top and select Toolpaths. Scroll down and select Stock Model. Under Stock Model, name this Stock After Roughing. Once we have this in, make sure that rectangular is our stock here, and select Stock Setup to grab the numbers that we initially used when we set up our stock. Come over to the left-hand side and select Source Operations, and highlight folders 1. Holding Control down on my keyboard, I'm going to select folder number 2 as well, so they're both highlighted. You can also just select Toolpath Group 1. Select OK when done. This will generate our stock model. Once you have this, and our stock model is complete, come up to the top and toggle your toolpath display off.